Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning the playroom, bathroom, vacuuming and mopping all of the floors, doing dishes, and also getting some laundry done. So first here, I'm just starting out with making my bed. I try to do this every morning. It doesn't always get done, but I just washed the bedding, so I wanted to have it all look really nice and tidy in here, and also I feel like it just makes the whole room, like your bed is made, it makes the whole room look like it's clean. um, and then I'm moving on to Liam's room, and he was in here playing. We were stuck inside for like 2 days because of the Canadian wildfires. The air quality was really, really bad where we live. It was like up to like 300 some, so we had to stay in the house for about 2 days, I think. Me and him were stuck in the house, and Jake was out of town, so we just stayed in the house and we played with every single toy you could ever think of. Every toy was out basically. He's been loving these Toy Story toys because we just saw the Toy Story 5 and he loved it, so we had to get every single toy from the movie. But he's helping me here. He was so cute. He wanted to help and he was showing me exactly where everything goes, even though I'm the one that usually organizes it and knows where everything goes. He has become where he knows now that every toy has a place and has a bin that it goes in, which is so cute. I love it. But so that's what we're doing here, is cleaning his bedroom. We were playing shop, so the shopping cart was out. I was the register person and he was the shopper. It was really cute. He was so funny. I was like, "Hello, welcome to the shop. What can I get you?" And he would pick out something that he'd want, and then he'd pay his money, and it was so fun. But now I'm cleaning the bathroom. I do this pretty much in every video. This is our only bathroom, so it gets used a lot. And I think Jake shaved his beard or something, so it was rough in here. And the sink always just gets so nasty with toothpaste and stuff, with Liam brushing his teeth and me and Jake brushing our teeth. So then I also wanted to clean the toilet. I didn't clean the shower today because I did that in my last video. So I only clean the shower, like I said, maybe once a month. Let me know. When do you clean how often do you clean your showers? I know that I asked that in the last video, but I didn't get any comments about that, so, but let me know. I love when you guys comment. Please comment, and we can chat and stuff. I love getting to chat with you guys. Okay, as you just saw, I had a big load of washing towels and stuff that I had to fold and put away, so I did that. And then now I am vacuuming all the bedrooms, my bedroom, Liam's bedroom, playroom, hallway, and the bathroom, and also downstairs as well. Really needed mopped and vacuumed. We have our robot vacuum that goes off every day, like once per day, and it just vacuums. It doesn't mop. Well, it does mop, but the one time during the day we just have it vacuumed to kind of keep up. So that's what I needed to do, like a deep clean, not just with the robot vacuum. So that's what I was doing, vacuuming. Now I am mopping with my O-Cedar spin mop. I love this thing. This is my favorite mop. I use it for my cleaning business and I just love it. I always recommend it to people. I really do love it. I know I do a lot of the same stuff in my videos. I wanted to see what you guys suggest on video ideas or what you want to see me clean. Is there a certain area in my home you want to see me clean? I know I clean the bathroom a lot, but that's because we only have one bathroom. And I have cleaned my bedroom and Liam's bedroom and the playroom on camera and stuff. Maybe I could do more of like the living space, like the living room, dining room, kitchen. I don't know if you want to see more of like that kind of video, or you want to see more like decluttering, or like right now we're pretty good with outside videos. Maybe that would be something I could do each year, like in the spring, to like do like a refresh of the outside, plant flowers, stuff like that. I don't know what I declutter so often that it's hard to find a place in my house where I haven't already decluttered. I do have this one Liam's playroom. I have his closet is full of stuff that I actually have to go through and kind of organize. But other than that, my house is like pretty organized right now. I do declutter constantly, so it's hard to kind of find stuff to declutter. But let me know what you guys want to see me do. What kind of cleaning do you want to see? Any kind of videos, suggestions, please let me know.
Just say run, and I will follow you anywhere. And you have my heart, even when I am not there. Just say run. Just say run, and I will follow you anywhere. And you have my heart, even when I am not there.
So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, please give me all of your video suggestions. It doesn't have to be anything cleaning. It could literally just be hauls or makeup videos or morning routines or night routines, makeup Like I said, literally anything. It doesn't matter. Leave me your video suggestions. Also, make sure you're subscribed. There's a lot of people that watch my videos that are not subscribed, so make sure you're subscribed. We'd love you to join the family. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys very, very soon. I hope you have the best day, the best week, and I love you, and I'll see you soon. Bye!